What's going on, guys? Quick video. Just wanted to talk about some helmets. All right, so you guys have seen me with the Hardhead Veterans ballistic high cut helmet. That is still very cool. If you're into that kind of helmet, I do have a code and a link and all that stuff down there. I'm not sponsored by them. It's just a way to give you guys some discounts. But if we're talking about ballistic helmets, okay, why would I wear a ballistic helmet? Well, might wear one on the ATV for some crash protection, but I might not want to wear my skull crusher, so I might bring it so I can mount my nods to it. But also, you see, I'm in my plate carrier, right? If we're talking about possible legit doomsday stuff, right, to where I have to throw this on, right, that means it's freaking on. I don't use the big old ear muffs. You know, you can go do that for a couple hours in the summer and understand why. So I don't need the high cut helmets. And also, if we're talking about I gotta throw this on, right, it's legit. We're not lerp, snooping and pooping and all this stuff. It's like I'm expecting two-way firing range. I'm expecting to be shot at, possibly stuff getting blown up. So the way I see it, this is a level of protection. And if I'm gonna wear this and put something on my head, I also want max protection for my head. So that's where we got the Mitch helmet, right? Standard, it's just like the ACH. It's been updated with the rail systems. Eventually I'll get a little super cool guy tack light freaking mount up here so we can carry our nods on there. I've got an IR strobe. We can throw our flags up there, all that good stuff. But if I'm already throwing all this stuff on and I'm not using those earmuffs, I think it would be silly for me to not go ahead and get the max level of protection, right? Because again, we're putting this stuff on for a legit reason. We don't need the high cut style. We need max protection. So why not do that? They make plates, steel plates, ceramic plates, all that stuff. And they make the level 3 ballistic helmets. I got it from B221 Tactical. Very good tactical dealer. They got all kinds of brands, all kinds of good stuff on there, and they carry stuff like this. So now we think about, we've got a lot more protection. It's not like the old school Kevlar that I got in 2003, but we do have a hell of a lot more coverage. And so again, some guys, you know, I know it doesn't look cool. I know the cool guys in Instagram, they're not sporting this stuff, but I don't care, okay? I don't care what they're doing. I'm not rocking the ear muffs. If I were, I would still probably choose this helmet. And unlike these Swordens, these are kind of older from the Swordens, there are some razor thin ones. There's Sworden, Peltor, they all have brands. You can find cheap brands on Amazon that are a lot thinner than this. Some of them will still work with a lapel mic. You just got to play with it. But again, whether I'm using those or not, I'm going into a heavy situation, so I want maximum protection, right? And it is what it is. It's a little bulkier. It's a little bit heavier, just slightly heavy, but yeah, if we're to that point, might as well protect the noggin as much as possible. So there you go, guys. Ballistic helmet from B221 Tactical. Tell them Grunt Proof sent you. They'll appreciate you. All right, that's it, guys. See you in the next one.